Okay, guys, in this video, we will be checking out how we can use the breakout strategy and the trend trading strategy together. Okay, this is a kind of double confirmation for whatever asset we are trying to trade. Okay, so we will be checking this out right in this video, and I'll try as much as possible to be well detailed about this so that we will have a good knowledge of it before we go fully into it. Okay, so before I do that, okay, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so just like we have known for the past few weeks, I've been um describing the act of trend trading strategy. Okay, and what is trend trading strategy? Trend trading strategy happens to be you trading on a particular trend for a very long time. For instance, this is at the support region already. At the beginning, it was on a downtrend. As we can see, it started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. So it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend since it's unable to break out above this resistance zone. And according to the setup or the indicator that I am using, it also changed from this color, sorry about that, from this yellow color into red color. Okay, sorry, that's my custom made indicator giving me some signal alerts. Okay, so it changed from this yellow color into a red color. When it changed from a yellow color into a red color from a resistance zone like this, it means that it is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, that is, it has not been able to break out above this. Okay, so definitely it will sell at that particular point. So the red arrow will give you a sell signal, and that is the only signal I expect you to follow at this particular point. And of course, it sold for a very long time. There are no major pullbacks right here, so that is why we only had a single sell signal. So when it got to this particular spot, it started, it got to this support zone, was unable to break out below the support zone. So it played around there for a while. That is why it is forming this triangle of a team. So right from there, it gave us an uptrend signal. Okay, switch from a downtrend into an uptrend signal. Then here is the breakout. The breakout happened around there. Okay, it happened around there, and of course, as we can see, it went up till it got to this region. Okay, there are different types of breakout. This is a major breakout that happened from the support region, and of course, it's led into a very long buying opportunity. There are other breakouts that we can also check out while we are trading. Okay, for instance, okay, let's say we missed out from this particular trade breakout. Okay, um although if you are having a custom made indicator like this, the same custom made indicator I am using on the chart right now, the buy signal will always give you an entry point. But if you are not having, okay, you can always use this. Just make sure it is touching the edges, the tip of the candle, of the wick of the candle. Okay, so once it is touching it, use it to mark it down. Then each time it goes above it and closes the candle above it, then you can go in for a buy. Okay, you can see. And of course, here is also another one. Okay, you can see the way I am doing my analysis. Okay, so even if you are not having this trading tool, this can also help you to jump into the trade. If you should notice, my indicator already gave me a buy signal around there. And of course, in case you miss that, if you do this, you can still jump into the trade and trade for a very long time. So if you had followed this instruction, this will have given you an opportunity to buy from here, buy another one from here, and also another one at this point. And of course, you would have been in big profit at the end of the day. And if you should notice, it got to this resistance zone, try to go back into a downtrend, but didn't go for too long. before it switched back into an uptrend. And of course, if you should check it out right from here, or okay, let me pick it from, okay, I'm coming right from here, okay, marking out the breakouts, okay. So you can see it finally broke out at this point, and this gave us an opportunity to buy for a very long time, okay. Got to this region, and this also gave us another breakout at this point, which led to the one that got to this particular spot, okay. You can see this is on the single trend, and of course this is 15 minutes time frame, so it gives us the opportunity to buy for a very long time, okay. Let's cite another example using um another assets, okay, but this time around we will be focusing on the sell signal, okay. So right here is the sell signal, okay, still on 15 minutes time frame, okay. It got to this resistance and was unable to break out from there, tried to go back on downtrend, had a pullback and came back down again, okay. So in this situation it's going to take a different dimension, okay. So all you just need to do is just, okay, let me start from here, just to pick it up this way, okay. As you can see, gave us a long enough room to sell, okay. Pick it up this way, gave us enough room to sell, okay. And of course pick it up again this way to give us enough room to sell. You can see it right from there. And of course guys, it also around here, okay, just after the last pullback, okay. So you check out the lowest points and the highest points, okay. So you try to mine them together, you get your breakouts from there, and of course it gives you the opportunity to sell more, okay. So this is a very short one, okay. And of course then here is another one, okay. So right now this is already forming another one, so you can just try to mark out the areas, okay. So once it breaks out below this, then definitely you jump into it and sell. If you should watch out what my custom made indicator has been doing, okay. Each time there is a pullback, here is a major pullback, at that point it gave us a sell signal. See, check out this, at this point it also gave us a sell signal. Check out this, at this point it also gave us a sell signal. And check out this again, at this point it also gave us a sell signal. All this happened within a single trend, okay. So at this point also it also gave us a trend signal, which means this indicator is also using the breakout strategy to give us our entry point on a particular trend, okay. So that is how beautiful it is. So guys, this is a unique trading pattern which you can embrace in order for you to improve your trading activities. All you just need to do is just for you to take your time to study it. You can watch this video over and over just for you to have a better understanding of how it works before you start using it, okay. So once you are able to get it right, then you can now go ahead and try it out on your live account, okay. And of course I'm very sure out of every 10 trades you will be making, you are most likely to be winning about 5 to sorry, you are most likely to be winning about 8 to 9 of the trades out of every 10 trades you will be taking right from there, okay. So guys, I'm really happy we are able to come up with this. I believe this will also help you to milk the market very well, or to sharpen your trading activities each time you are trading, okay. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question, you can always drop your question for me in the comment section or right here on the WhatsApp, okay. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, and do not forget to join the Telegram channel too, okay. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank